Recall from the last discussion that people, firms, and government buy goods and services. Aggregate demand refers to the quantity demanded of these goods and services. Notice that it is downward sloping, indicating an inverse relationship between the price level, that is P, and the quantity demanded of real GDP, that is Q. As the price level rises, the quantity demanded of real GDP falls, and as the price level falls, the quantity demanded of real GDP rises. But why does the aggregate demand curve slope downward? There are mainly three answers to this question: balance effect, the interest rate effect, and the international trade effect. Let's see all of them one by one. The real balance effect states that the inverse relationship between the price level and the quantity demanded of real GDP is established through changes in the value of monetary wealth or money holdings. To illustrate, let's meet Mr. Shashank, our consumer, who has $20,000 in cash. Suppose the price level falls. As this happens, the purchase power of the person's $20,000 rises. That is, the $20,000 which once could buy 100 mobile sets at $200 each can now buy 125 sets at $160 each. An increase in the purchasing power of Mr. Shashank, $20,000, is identical to saying that his monetary wealth has increased. After all, isn't the $20,000 is more valuable when it can buy more than when it can buy less? And as he becomes wealthier, he buys more goods. In summary, a fall in the price level causes purchasing power to rise, which increases a person's monetary wealth. As people become wealthier, the quantity demanded of real GDP rises. Now, let's see what will happen if the price level rises. As this happens, the purchasing power of Mr. Shashank, $20,000, falls. That is, the $20,000 through which Mr. Shashank once could buy 100 mobile sets at $200 each can now buy 80 sets at $250 each. A decrease in the purchasing power of Mr. Shashank, $20,000, is identical to saying that his monetary wealth has decreased. And as he becomes less wealthy, he buys fewer goods. In summary, a rise in the price level causes purchasing power to fall, which decreases a person's monetary wealth. As people become less wealthy, the quantity demanded of real GDP falls.